Good morning. You ready for breakfast? So Miss Junie stays up here in the backyard. Her and the other Mustang are the ones usually we have in training. They'll kind of go back and forth, staying in the backyard because it's right here at my house. It's a small little, this is, we call it, we use a little pasture paddock area. That way I can come out and mess with them throughout the day, and they're closer and they get used to just human interaction a little bit more if we're not at the barn all day. We go on the back porch, I can walk right out here and check on them, just hang out with them. And they get used to different noises up here. Getting them around in different areas is good for them to learn to get used to all the new sounds and people and stuff. That's what we do with River. River hung out in the backyard, which I think he misses it because he always got lots of carrots and he really wanted to come in the house. And I noticed today, little Juniper here tried to come on the back porch with us, but she'll eat breakfast up here and hang out, and then I'll take her to the barn and she can hang out down there too. So some mornings we actually do take her to the barn and she eats breakfast in the barn, and then dinner and comes up here for dinner, vice versa. We try to mix it up. So sorry about the wind. We try to mix it up. Just make them good all around versatile guys out here. At least we try to. You've already eaten, big guy. No more breakfast today. Wait for dinner. He has really blossomed since being here. He's putting on so much weight. His top line's filling out. Hi, cutie. His color is shiny. I mean, he's just really coming to look like a nice, handsome fella. He didn't look so handsome when he came. He's filling out. He's young. He's 5-year-old. We don't really have a whole lot of training, so he's one of our projects here. We're gonna head back down to the barn. We're gonna do some weed eating, cleaning up, and just a little bit of maintenance around there. You ready? He's ready to be done. Something else we're doing today is getting these stalls cleaned. So since the horses have been using them daily, we actually do the stall cleaning every day. So we're gonna put all the poop in there and get it put out. All right, guys, so stall's clean. Something else checked off our list today. We clean stalls daily if the horses are using the stalls. Depending on how many stalls are being used, depends on how many stalls we clean a day. Something else we clean is our arena. So if we have horses loose out there or we ride out there, they'll poop in the sand. So we'd like to scoop it out and try to keep it as clean as possible too. So Zach is checking water troughs and buckets, seeing what needs to be cleaned and filled up and freshened. Gotta dump this water bucket and move it. And then we're currently making sure all the horses have water. Fresh water is so hot, you have to check them throughout the day, otherwise they won't drink.